Hey guys, it's Olivia here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super easy snowflake. And although Christmas is already over, you guys could still make these snowflakes for fun, for decorations. So the things you'll need for this snowflake are 6 pieces of paper. And you also need some transparent tape and some scissors. So first you want to take 1 piece of paper and you want to fold it I don't know if you guys could see, but you want to fold it like a triangle, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys want to fold it like this is your paper, and then you want to fold it this part down here so that there's a triangle, and then it kind of looks like a triangle and a rectangle. And you want to take your scissors and then you want to cut this so that it's like this piece of paper. And then you want to do the same thing on step 1. So you want to fold this so that it looks like a triangle. And then you want to take the big part of the triangle, and then you want to cut a long strip like this, and then you want to cut kind of like a medium-sized one, and then one of them is the smallest one, which is the third one. So you want to cut 3, and then you want to open So now it's like this. So you want to take these edges and you want to tape them together. So you want to take some tape. You guys can see the tape right there, right? And then you take these 2 edges. So you flip it over, and then take these 2 edges, and then do the same thing. Flip it over, and then do the same thing. This won't look that perfect. So yeah. And then you want to take the last one, and then tape it together so that it's like this, and you guys can already see it's pretty cool. So if you guys are wondering what I'm going to be doing with the other 5 pieces of paper, you want to do the same thing, and then you want to take your papers, all the flakes. This is 1 flake, and then you want to tape them together, take these part, this part, and tape them together, and then just roll up a piece of tape, this is a tape, and then you roll it so that it looks like that, and then you tape it here, and then you tape the other one on that roll. So yeah, you keep doing it until all of the flakes are taped. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope my method kind of showed you how to make it. So yeah, See you guys next time. Bye.